Hello YouTube and welcome to another dividend investing video. I am Mike, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing my portfolio, the sectors that I'm invested in, and the percentage of each sector that I am invested in. But before we get into that, just a disclaimer, I am not a licensed professional. If you need help investing in the stock market, please seek a licensed professional and make sure you do your own research. So let's get into it. As you can see from the photo that I attached, utilities, real estate, and materials are the first three sectors that I'm invested in. Bottom three in my portfolio right there. Utilities and real estate are both less than 1%. Materials is just on 1%. Utilities and real estate are two sectors that I'm still doing my research in. And both sectors, too, have very, very high payout ratios. That's what most stocks in those sectors. Materials, again, less than 1%, about 1% of my portfolio, I should say. I just haven't found any stocks that I'm interested in materials. But with that said, let's move on to the next three. The next three sectors that I'm invested in are financials, energy, and consumer staples. Financials and energy are both tied at 4%, while consumer staples, I have approximately 6% of it in my portfolio. These three sectors I know a little bit more about, and since I know a little bit more about it, and I like to invest in what I know, those are the three sectors a little bit more in my portfolio. I always feel like these three sectors are talked about a lot more on the news and in the media than the previous three sectors, utilities, real estate, and materials. But those are the next three in my portfolio, and so let's go on to the next. The next three sectors in my portfolio: consumer discretionary, healthcare, and industrials. Consumer discretionary makes up 13% of my portfolio, while healthcare is 15% and industrials is 17%. I feel like healthcare right now is on sale, and I feel like the industrials part are on sale too, because a lot of the industrials have a lot to do with the China trade war that's going on, and then the healthcare sector has been a real in the media lately, in the news, with healthcare. So just put it like that. The healthcare sector, it's all healthcare, free healthcare everybody wants, and how these drug companies look. But at the same time, these drug companies are on sale, and I'm going to purchase them right now. Ticker symbol PFE, Pfizer, ticker symbol ABBV, Ambev, however you want to say it. Right now, that's where I'm at with those, with the healthcare and industrials. Industrial sector, again, another one on sale, buying. So let's get into the last two. And the top two sectors in my portfolio: information technology coming in at number 2, and number 1, communications at 22% of my portfolio. Information technology, again, 18% of my portfolio. Both those sectors I know a lot about, and like I said, I invest in what I know, and I know these two sectors. You research information technology and research communications, you're going to come up with a lot of names that you know. Communications, two, for example, T, ticker symbol T, AT&T, Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Again, those are also two, full disclosure, two stocks that I own, AT&T and Disney. But that is my full portfolio, or the sectors that I'm invested in. Like, subscribe, comment. Please check that like button, guys. That'll do it for this video. So make sure you guys, full disclosure, I am not a licensed professional. If you need professional help, seek a licensed professional. With that said, Dividend invest.